Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Time to win. Golden words said by Dale Carnegie, which I liked. Dr. Ravish Tandon. Your victory is waiting here. Just step in. He never refused to see me and Mr. Wesson, but he never brought. He always looked over my sketches very carefully and then said, "No, Wesson, I guess we don't get together today." After 150 failures, Wesson realized he must be in a mental rut, so he resolved to devote one evening a week to the study of influencing human behavior to help him develop new ideas and generate new enthusiasm. He decided on this new approach with half a dozen unfinished artist sketches under his arm. He rushed over to the buyer's office. "He wants you to do me a little favor, if you will," he said. "Here are some uncompleted sketches. Won't you please tell me how we could finish them up in such a way that you could use them?" The buyer looked at the sketches for a while without uttering a word. Finally, he said, "Leave this with me for few days, Wesson, and then come back and see me." Wesson returned 3 days later, got his suggestions, took the sketches back to the studio and had them finished according to the buyer's ideas. The result? All accepted. After that, this buyer ordered scores of other sketches from Wesson, all drawn according to the buyer's ideas. I realized why I had failed for years to sell him, said Mr. Wesson. I had urged him to buy what I thought he ought to have. Then I changed my approach completely. I urged him to give me his ideas. This made him feel that he was creating the design, and he was. I don't have to sell him. He brought. Letting the other person feel that the idea is his or hers not only works in business and politics, it works in family life as well. Paul of Tulsa, Oklahoma, told his class how he applied this principle. "My family and I enjoyed one of the most interesting sightseeing vacation trips we have ever taken. I had long dreamed of visiting such esoteric sites as the Civil War battlefield in Gettysburg, Independence Hall in Philadelphia, and our nation's capital, Valley Forge, Jamestown, and the restored colonial village of Williamsburg were high on the list of things I wanted to see." In March, my wife, Nancy, mentioned that she had ideas for our summer vacation, which included a tour of the western states. The magical sentence you should spell daily in life to achieve success. I will do it. Only I can do it. Please subscribe our channel and click on the link given in this description box to listen this full chapter voice in a single clip.